Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I recently picked up the cloth Bartape for my beautiful rally. I wanted to match it up with this saddle, and look at this thing, how it came out. Loving the Bartape. I'm gonna link the Amazon down in the description, my affiliated link, where you can get one of these through that link, where I get a tiny bit of commission so I can support my channel, but at the same time this thing came out quite nice. I am just loving it. Now before I show you everything here, I just want to give you one tip. You do not want to remove this black tape. I'm gonna show you here, it was such a hard pain in the ass to remove this thing, you know. What I would do if I knew what would have been for, I would just retape. As you see, I removed that one, but I left this one. I would just retape the old tape and I would call it a day. It was just so much time consuming, it wasn't worth it. So I'm gonna finish off here, but I just wanted to leave this part here so I can show you what I'm talking about, because leave it on, it'll be more cushy, it still looks nice and sporty, vintage type of a look. This is what you want. Again, I'm pretty happy how this came out with my saddle, matching it. This is pretty much the okay, and here you go. I just wanted to give you one more last look before when it's done, when I had it all finished. Loving it. Just simply loving it, how this came out. Can't go wrong with it. So this side is slightly padded. I don't know if you can see from the video. Let's see from this angle. But I just love how this thing came out. Okay, hope you, again, link is in description. That's pretty much that. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.